Hello parents, hey kids, happy Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend. So you're ready for today's class. Today it's your rhymes time. So today we are going to recall the rhyme which I taught you in the last class, that is good manners. So before reciting the rhymes, do you remember the 3 words which I taught you? I hope you will remember it. What is the first word? Thank you. So when you should tell thank you? When you get something, you should tell thank you. When you should tell excuse me. When you sneeze, you have to tell excuse me. Then when you should tell please. If you want something, you should ask please give me. Okay. Now we'll recite the rhyme. So come and recite with me. We say thank you, we say please, and excuse me when we sneeze. That is the way we do what's right. We have manners, we are polite. Can we recite one more time? So recite with me. We say thank you, we say please, and excuse me when we sneeze. That is the way we do what's right. We have manners, we are polite. That's it. So kids, try to learn this rhyme with action. We'll meet you in next class. Bye bye. Thank you.